dude. You know what's slap right now? Safari fries.
Dude, you got your car fixed, right?
Of course I fucking did. Come on, let's go.
Hey, you should slow down.
Come on, where would the fun in that be?
I have no idea what you'll do without me.
Oh, hey, I think we need to get gas.
Hey, Charlie, are we ever gonna talk about me leaving?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over this.
Wait, I have an idea. I'll be right back. We are so cute.
You're a dumbass.
You won't be laughing when one of us wins.
Can't believe I won $5.
Told you so, man. It's an investment. By the way, where the fuck are we?
We're on the way to Rainforest Cafe.
Motherfucker, this is a desert.
Okay, so I may have taken us on a slight detour.
You did what?
Oh, fuck.
And now we're stranded in the middle of nowhere.
We can still get there. All we gotta do is just, get someone to fix the car. It's all fine. Look, it's fine.
Dude. What are we doing?
I'm sorry. I just ruined our last day together. I'm sorry.
Charlie.
Look, I'm sorry. I ruined our last day together. I just want to have one last adventure before you leave me.
I'm not leaving you.
Yes, you are. You're literally going to the whole other side of the country. Well, I'm doing nothing. I'm probably just gonna be a gym coach or something.
I think you made a great gym coach.
Love you, bro.
I love you too, man.
Okay, what the hell?
I'm calling AAA